this video we'll be looking at 1.6 Part 1, Solving Proportions. Our essential question will be, how do I solve a proportion? And a proportion is simply two ratios or fractions that are equal. So the cross products property, that's a property that states that if I have A over B, and if that's equal to C over D, then the cross product is kind of like a diagonal multiplication. So what I can say is that A times D is equal to B times C. Well, what we did is we took A and multiplied it by D. So like a visual cue would be to do something like that. I'm connecting the two with a line, and we're going to multiply these two together. And then we took B and we multiplied it by C. So that's how the cross products property works. Okay, we're going to skip 1, 2, 3, and we're going to go straight into solving proportions for the variable. So what we'll do is we'll use the cross products property. I'll say I'm going to go 5 times x, so I'll have 5x is equal to, and then I'll do 2 times 45, and that will be 90. So set cross products equal to each other. So we multiply diagonally 5 times x, there's 5x, and we're setting that equal to 2 times 45. Now step 2 says solve equations by dividing both sides by the coefficient. So we'll do that. We're just going to divide both sides by 5. So we'll divide both sides by 5, and we get x equals 18. That's it. So we do the cross product, and then we divide both sides by the coefficient. So let's flip to the back and look at a couple more. So we will first do our cross product, and then we'll divide by the coefficient. So on number 4, I'll find the cross product. 4 times 9 is 36, and that'll be equal to 10c times 10, and we'll call that 10c. Now we'll divide both sides by the coefficient. That's the number right next to the variable. Draw a line, and we'll divide both sides by 10. And we'll get c is equal to 3.6, or 3.6 is equal to c. Pretty straightforward stuff. Let's do one more, and then I think we'll call it a day. So we'll say 2 times 42, that'll be 84, is equal to 7 times a, so that's going to be 7a. We'll draw our line, and then step 2 is to divide both sides by the coefficient. So we'll divide both sides by 7. And we'll get 12 is equal to a. And that's how we can solve for cross products. That's how we can solve proportions and find out what the variable is equal to when dealing with proportions. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.